In this video, we are going to orient you to some of the concepts we'll be talking about during your retest results consultation. On your new test results graph, you will see the previous level for each mineral and ratio. The little arrow next to each mineral reading tells you if that mineral has gone up or down compared to your last test. All over your graph, we will have written various terms and phrases describing the changes on your graph. These are not necessarily technical terms, but are very helpful for explaining the complex processes that occur on this nutritional program. In this video, we are going to define and discuss two of these concepts that relate to toxins, releasing and got rid of. Most people today are full of toxins that are stored in their cells. Releasing refers to the process of moving those toxins out of the cells where they are stored and into the blood. So the toxins were released from the cells, but are still in the body. What happens next we call getting rid of. The toxins that were released from the cells into the blood are now filtered out of the blood by the liver and kidneys and removed from the body, mostly through the urine or feces. Now let's discuss the mechanics of releasing and getting rid of. Remember that when your body is first exposed to toxins, it has two options. The first option is for the kidneys and liver to filter that toxin out of the blood and expel it from the body. This is the process we refer to as getting rid of that toxin. But let's say your body was unable to do that at that time. Say your kidneys were a little overwhelmed, or you had just been drinking so your liver was tired. Well, then that brings us to our second option, which is to store that toxin in the various cells of the body until your kidneys and liver are able to filter it out, get rid of it, properly. For example, if you ate a toxin, it would absorb through your intestines and circulate around in your blood. As it circulated, your kidneys and liver would filter it out with each pass of the blood through your kidneys and liver. Now let's say that your kidneys and liver are not functioning well and cannot get rid of those toxins. In this case, your body will actually store those toxins in body cells until a future time when your body can filter out and get rid of those toxins. Here's an analogy. Let's say you've been very busy at work, working very long hours, and have not been able to clean or tidy up your house. Now you have visitors coming, so you quickly shove all the mess under the beds and into the closets. It's not that you intend to permanently keep those things under the bed and in the closets. It's just a temporary solution. You fully intend someday, when you have a few extra hours, to go through the entire house and properly clean. The body will do the same thing. As it's exposed to toxins, if it's unable to get rid of them right away, it will store them temporarily in body cells. For most people today, their bodies are quite compromised, so they wind up accumulating more and more of these toxins in their body cells. These toxins make it so that the cells do not function well. Eventually, the cells themselves have trouble pushing toxins out, which only makes the problem worse. Now let's say the person starts eating well, getting rest, taking supplements, and his body has a resurgence. Suddenly his cells are healthier, stronger, and they can start pushing out toxins. His kidneys and liver are also functioning better, so can get rid of these toxins now. Now the body cells will release those toxins back into the blood and put them back in circulation so the kidneys and liver can finally filter them out properly. While the toxins are stored in the body cells, we do not see them on the hair test graph. This is important to remember. It's only when toxins are out of the cells and circulating around the body that they now go into the hair and we can see them on the hair test graph. Remember that the hair is like a trash can for the body. As toxins circulate around the body, they pass the hair and little bits are deposited into the hair as it grows. The more that's in circulation, the more that will deposit. For the most part, toxins are only in circulation for two reasons. Toxins are in circulation when the body is first exposed to those toxins or when the body is releasing stored toxins. So when you see a toxic metal reading go up on your retest graph, it means that you were either just exposed to it or that your body is releasing old stores of that toxin into the blood. As you continue to retest, You will see those numbers go up as your body releases stored toxins and go down again as your body gets rid of them. This is a very positive sign of deep healing and detox.